Okay, we're going to practice constructing a frequency distribution. For this particular group of numbers, we're going to do 3 classes, even though there's more room than that, but actually it's got 3 rooms. So we're going to do 3 classes, so you have 3 spots. We need to first locate our minimum data entry, and the minimum data entry is going to be 42. That's our lower. And then we need our upper, which is going to be 68, which is right here. So our lower is 42, our upper is 68, which means our range is going to be from 68 minus 42, which is 26. So our class width will be 26 divided by 3, which is basically 8.6 repeated. So we're going to round up to 9. And that gives us how many numbers are going to be inside each one of our classes. So we're going to start up with 42. We're going to add 9 to get to our next class start. So we don't actually normally write this, but I'm showing it to you. So we're going to take 42 plus 9, and that gives us 51 for our next. We're going to do the same thing again, add 9 more, and that will give us 60. So that's our lowers. To get our highers, we simply go to the 1 minus of what the next one is. So 51 was the next group, so we're going to do 250. 60 was the next group, so we're going to do to 59. And to get the upper of the last one, we simply pretend like we're adding 9 to 60 to get to the next group, even though we're not using it, which would be 69. And we're going to subtract from that, which would be 68. Okay, so now we're going to do our tallies, and I recommend that you actually mark through each number as you're tallying it. That way you actually can see it done. I'm going to do a couple, and then I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to watch me do every single one. So we would go to 57 and put a tally mark, 61, tally mark, 57, and so forth. So our last ones is 56, 55, oops, I already did that one, and 51. So we should have 8 total. So our last step is to tally all of them. We did that. Now we're going to write down the frequencies. So there are 8 in the 42 to 50. There are 17 in the 51 to 59 range, and there are 5 in the 60 to 68. Now if we add all these up, this sign here means sum of. So it means add everything that goes above it. So 8 plus 17, which is 25, plus 5 gives us 30. And if you count up all of the tallies that you should have 30 numbers up here, 30 numbers represented in the frequency table. All right, that's it.